In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on this section called display. Then scroll all the way down to hit easy mode here. And when you're ready, use this switcher next to easy mode to activate it. As you can see, it's on. If you wanna, you can adjust those two options too. Touch and hold delay, tap on one of those, and high contrast keyboard. You can pick one of those to apply the best one for you. But now let's go back and check out how it looks like. If you will ever wanna disable easy mode, you can do that in the same section of your settings by clicking on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!